G'day guys, come all the way from Australia. Let's take a look. Welcome to the house of SkyVac. Spinaclean, follow us through. Danielle.
Hi, welcome to Spinaclean.
Come through to the candy shop. How good is this? To experience this across the other side of the world, if you're a business in a van, small business, large business, I want to show you and how SkyVac Spinaclean can change the way you're doing things. Let's run through some of these components. Systems, the Industrial 85, probably one of the biggest sellers globally for gutter vacuum systems. 3300 watt, 150 inches of water lift. The Commercial 75 Plus, it's just taken a revamp. Now on a rigid powder coated frame. Beast of a machine. The Sonic, the Mighty Atom, two of the biggest sellers in Australia. Generators to go with, 33 or 3600 watt, which will now comfortably power the Industrial 85, and the 2200 watt, the Mighty Atom. Range of accessories from standard 44mm carbon fibre poles and the legendary Elite poles. Different goosenecks, 180 degree up and over, the 90 degree, the hairpin goosenecks, and then most importantly, the vacuum release. Assortment of tool ends to tackle the hardest jobs. Hose bags. Check out the assortment of parts. Tooling end, goosenecks, adapters, all here at headquarters in Spinaclean. The legendary Interceptor. I must admit, the guys here in UK must be, I won't say soft, but key start. Comfort pack. I haven't even seen one of these in Australia. So, legendary Honda, and down under we've only got the pull start, but it's awesome to see one of these machines here with the key start. Internal high dusting and vacuuming, a very big industry in Australia, and when we look at the assortment of accessories, and we'll talk about the vacuums shortly, but the flat 380mm tool, flat 200, the new curved brushes, revolutionary design which will increase performance and efficiency for large ducting and removing that dust and debris. An assortment of brushes, goosenecks, half round, 100mm, 200mm, an assortment of tools to tackle the toughest of jobs. Window cleaning systems to accompany that, telescopic poles, or the vacuums can be coupled with 44mm poles. The vacuum range consists of the 27, gusty little robust, the Hygiene, the H-Class, the internal 30, internal 78, and something that I haven't seen as yet, and which is new to the market, is the internal 150. Mega of internal vacuum systems. An array of pressure cleaning equipment seen here at Spinaclean. So from a business in a box or a complete package, pressure cleaning systems is a great add-on to any existing business. Surface cleaners, petrol, high-speed pumps, low-speed pumps, and all the accessories to go with. Absolutely outstanding. Let's not forget the array of inspection tools. The survey cam, very big in Australia, all different genres, from building inspections, rail, mining, wildlife. A great add-on, even carrying out your gutter maintenance and inspections. The SkyCam, recordable, non-recordable, outstanding. It's been really great to be able to bring this to you today, and it's been a long time since I've been over here. Check out our next video, and thanks for